Well, just came back to my GoPro. Been plugged in overnight and the red light is still on. Yeah, that's what I was afraid of. So, the fourth Mini 11 also freezes while charging. We'll do a 10-second push. And 10 seconds is enough to reset it this time. I've not even flown this thing. I literally got this, 2 days ago, and I've just started testing it. Camera still won't turn on. So now we're going to do another 10-second push. Just hold the button down for 10 more seconds and see if we can get it to restart. And now let's try and push. Now it's restarted. So that's what I saw on the last camera repeatedly before it finally just decided it wouldn't charge at all anymore. So I'm sending this back to GoPro. Fuck the Mini 11, I'm done with it.